I saw this mom hack for packing little kids' clothes for vacation, and I honestly wasn't sure if it was going to be genius or just create a whole bunch of extra work. The idea is to put your kids' clothes into separate Ziploc bags based on what they are. So instead of having everything mixed together in a suitcase, you have one bag for shirts, one bag for shorts, one for pajamas, underwear, swimsuits, whatever category makes sense for your family. And since I have young kids, I thought it could actually be really helpful because normally the second we get to our destination, the suitcase turns into complete chaos. So I gave it a try. I separated everything out into different bags, zipped them up, and then put all of those into our camper. You could also use a suitcase if you were flying or not using a camper or something you can just put the clothes right into. At first I was thinking, this is a lot of bags. But then we got to vacation, and this is where I was actually surprised. Instead of digging through everyone's clothes trying to find a shirt or a pair of PJs, I could just grab the bag that I needed. Need PJs? Grab the bag. Need swimsuits? Grab the swimsuit bag. Need underwear? It's right here. And honestly, it made keeping the kids' clothes organized so much easier. And I think the biggest thing I liked was that I didn't have to completely unpack the suitcase or unpack the bag. I could just pull out the bags we were using and leave everything else organized. And when I did laundry, I could just put them back into that bag. And then when we got home, it was so easy to put the kids' clothes back into their dressers because everything was already organized into what type of clothes they were. Would I do this again? Absolutely, especially for little kids, where you're constantly changing clothes and digging around for something. I don't know if I would use this method every single trip, but for a family vacation where we're bringing a lot of clothes, this is definitely worth a few extra minutes of packing. So if you're getting ready for a family vacation, this is one packing hack I would definitely try. It sounds a little ridiculous at first, but it actually worked. Let me know if you've tried this before, or if you have another mom packing hack I need to know about. Please subscribe, and I will see you all next time.